look at Lyra caught. And, I just painted my nails and now they're gonna get ruined. Okay, little bird. Lyra, stop it. Stop, Lyra. Let go. Lyra? Lyra? Lyra. Please? Lyra. Now? Let it go. I don't know if it even can go now. Boy. Little birdie. Gotcha. Let's see if we can get you away from here. My single coat of nail polish is gonna be ruined. Let's put you, I guess, up somewhere high? I'm not really sure what to do with you. You're cute though. Let's bring you farther away. Go away, Lyra. Oh, damn it. She sees me. Hey, you. How did she even get caught, huh? I mean, you're a bird. I can't understand. Did she hurt your wing? Lyra, I'm really proud of you, but